Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Survey the car thoroughly and photograph all damage before you start. Open every panel and record rust, dents, and missing parts with notes. Make a parts list and budget, estimating 500 to 5,000 as needed for parts and labor. Prioritize mechanical safety items first, like brakes, fuel, and steering to drive later. Set up a dedicated workspace with a 12-foot by 10-foot footprint and good lighting. Gather an initial toolkit including socket set 10 mm to 19 mm, torque wrench, jack, and jacks. Begin mechanical work by addressing braking and suspension for safe handling. Inspect and rebuild the brakes, replacing pads, rotors, and hydraulic lines as required. Check suspension bushings, shocks, and alignment to restore stable steering and ride quality. Perform a basic engine tune. Oil change with 5W30, new oil filter, spark plugs, and a timing check. Drain, flush, and replace coolant and belts to prevent overheating. Replace fuel system parts. Clean the tank, install new hoses, and fit a fresh fuel pump if necessary. Address bodywork by treating rust areas first, cutting to clean metal. Use rust converter on small spots and epoxy primer for treated panels. Fill minor dents with high-quality filler and sand progressively to 400 grit for a smooth surface. Refinish paint by applying primer, base coat, and clear coat in controlled conditions for a uniform finish. Restore the interior with new foam cushions, fabric or leather, and a thorough cleaning of carpets. Reinstall components carefully and perform a final systems check before your first test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.